we have made model serializer, if you guys remember. And now we, as I talked, right, we will creating a model view set in the current session. Now, for model view set, let I have my code snippet ready. Let me go through line by line and explain you what is the use of this. So basically, whenever you have a serializer, now you need to have a control, you need to have a business logic which will say if my API will produce get request, then I should list all the items in my to-do list. If my API is like post, then I should be able to create my to-do object and so on. So for this, Django provides already built-in class which is known as model view set. Now this can be imported from ViewSet. So if you see my first line, REST framework dot viewsets import model viewset. Now this viewset is, suppose I have created this class to do model viewset. Now this needs to know that what is the corresponding model serializer. Means that if it will get the objects, then to which model serializer classes needs to call, which has the capability to deserialize or serialize the objects. So here we need to set, pass the private data member, which is serializer underscore class is equals to do model serializer, which we have imported from the current serializer file which we created in the previous tutorial. Now this is a query set. The next variable is query set. So by default, if I make the get request, the get request means if I want to list all the to do objects which I have to do, yeah, I have to list all the objects, then what should be the query? So query is quite simple, like to do dot objects dot all. So this will list me all the objects which are there inside my table, right? So this is a default query set. So this is what I'm talking about, very basic. Now as I'm using model view set, all the things are taken care automatically. I don't need to write get, put, post method. All those things are done already. Okay, so now in the next tutorial we'll be working on routers.